Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stationary drill presses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BUCKTOOL 12-inch 6.2A Professional Bench Drill Press. The BUCKTOOL 12-inch 6.2A, a professional bench drill press, is a powerful and professional-grade drill press that comes equipped with a 6.2A induction motor, providing constant power to drill through all kinds of materials. It has a fully adjustable work table, a variable speed control, and a Class 3A 2.5 laser, work light, emergency stop switch, and no voltage release switch, all of which help you work precisely and safely. The flat work table can rotate 360 degrees and bevel 45 degrees left or right. The digital speed readout helps you control the speed precisely, making it suitable for various materials. Moving on, at number 4, we have the JET JDP 20MF 20-inch floor drill press. The JET JDP 20MF is a versatile stationary drill press with a 112 HP motor and 12 speeds ranging from 150 to 40,200 RPM. It features a 1/2 diameter external depth stop with a 3-nut locking feature for quick adjustments, as well as smooth operation supported by high-quality ball bearings. The built-in work lamp illuminates your workspace, and the quick-release crank-operated work table can tilt plus 45 degrees for ideal positioning. At number 3, we have the JET J2500 15-inch step pulley drill press. The JET J2500 15-inch step pulley drill press offers greater precision with an enclosed spindle assembly supported by 4 ball bearings. It also features increased safety with a telescoping spindle guard and accurate operations with a large coil that travels 3 hours. The 16-speed motor allows you to choose the right speed for your project, and the accurate depth stop allows for consistent, repeatable drilling. The large ground steel column and cast iron head ensure solid support. At number 2, we have the JET IDP 22 Industrial Drill Press. The JET IDP 22 Industrial Drill Press features a 112 HP motor with 12 variable speeds from 175 to 3,050 RPM, a 1/2 diameter external depth stop with a quick-set bolt for fast and accurate adjustments, a built-in LED work light for added visibility, and a quick-release crank-operated work table. This versatile drill press is perfect for industrial use and offers easy adjustments and enhanced visibility to ensure precision and efficiency. And finally, at number 1, we have the Klutch 17N Floor Drill Press. The Klutch Floor Drill Press is designed to enhance your drilling experience with its versatile features. With a 5/8-inch chuck capacity, it accommodates a variety of drill bits, allowing you to tackle different projects easily. The 17-inch swing provides ample room for larger workpieces, while the 6-inch vertical stroke lets you drill deeper holes with precision. Additionally, the 45-degree tilting table enables you to create angled holes, giving you the flexibility to work on a range of materials and designs. This drill press is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.